Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone screen goes black during call. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. Solution number 1. Disable raise to wake. For that, first we have to go to settings, then tap display and brightness, and under display and brightness we have to disable raise to wake. After that we have to go to solution number 2, disable reduce motion. For that, first launch settings, scroll down, find and tap on accessibility, and under accessibility tap on motion and turn off reduce motion. The third thing that we have to do, go to settings and connect to Wi-Fi. Then tap General and tap Software Update and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 4. Remove the iPhone screen protector. For that, power off your iPhone and remove the screen protector and clean the proximity sensor. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.